climb inside the 2009 Toyota Camry. This four-door, five-passenger sedan still has fewer than 70,000 miles. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the efficient four-cylinder engine, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. It distinguishes itself from the competition with features such as delay-off headlights, one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, and power windows. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 6 well-positioned speakers. Toyota also prioritized safety and security by including head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, brake assist, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.